Hi, Melissa. So I just read your email and I figured instead of writing it out step by step, it might be easier if I can actually just show you my screen. So right now you are seeing my screen. I opened up Google Chrome. So just in case you forgot what that looks like, it's this Chrome button down here. And I'm going to type in Lombard School District 44 because when I click on that link, that's going to get me to our district website. Then from here, you're going to click on D44 Remote Learning and scroll down to Parkview and then scroll down to third grade. So I'm showing you how to access our lesson plan, but this is also going to get you to our Google Meets. So today was Wednesday the 8th, so I'm going to click on Wednesday. And once that pulls up, then we have, our whole lesson plan here. And down here it has that note to you about our office hours. So depending on what time you're trying to join us, I put both links down here. And every single day, the 9 to 9:30 link will stay the same. And every single day, this 1 to 1:30 link will stay the same. But these are two different links, if that makes sense. So every day, if you want to join at 9, it'll always be this link. Every day you want to join at 1, it'll always be this link. So what you do is you just click on it and go to it, and it's going to pull up this page. So it's going to tell you, like here we are, it says virtual office hour. This one's for the morning. You just have to click join now. Once you do that, I will always be in there and other students might be in there too. But that should be all you need. You do not need to have a passcode or anything like that. Once you click this join now button, whoop, it'll look something like this. Like it'll bring you into here and you'll be able to see us. So I do want you to try this and see if you can get into it. And then also send me an email back just so I know that you received my email and you saw this recording. I hope this helps and I hope I get to see you because I miss you so much, Melissa. So go ahead and try it and let me know.